Hi fellow Webflowers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make automatic numbered lists like this one with pure CSS. You can use them in rich text fields or anywhere else on your Webflow website and make your life as a Webflow developer easier and bring more comfort to your clients. So without further ado, let's get started. So to apply this custom counter to my rich text field, I'm going to select my rich text field. Then I scroll down here to the custom properties and add a new one. And for the property, I'm going to enter counter reset. And for the value, you can literally enter any keyword, doesn't matter. I use headings here. The next one is that you are going to select the element that you want to apply the number before. In my case, it's always the H2. Be careful, you need, within a rich text field, you have to select all H2 headings here and then also click this little plus icon. So you're only selecting H2 elements that are nested, so inside a rich text list element. I already did that, that's why it looks like this. So here, again, I'm clicking on custom property. And this time we are going to add one that's called counter increment. And here we have to reuse our keyword that we were using before. Be careful that you exactly are using the same keyword, otherwise it won't work. Now, the last step is some custom code. For this, I've prepared here an embed field. And if we are going to open this embed field, I already put these style brackets in here. Yeah. What we need is this one. We are targeting our rich text field and within there the H2, and we are adding an before. And now it comes the magic. Here we have a property content, and for the value we are using counter, and again here our keyword headings. So I'm just going to move this window a little bit and save it. And now you can see I already got this numbers here. If I click this H2 here, you can also see that I applied display flex on it, give it direction horizontal, top aligned it and give it a gap. And so if I delete this, you can see, yeah, the values are just directly at the first letter. So let's reapply it. And yeah, the next thing is that we need to style this before here. And for this, I'm reopening my custom code and I've prepared everything for you. Let's go through this. So now if I save it, you can see we have this circle and the font size of the numbers is a little bit smaller. And if I close this and scroll down, you can see here, these are also rich text list classes. The counter restarts. So I decided to go with 65%. So this is all values you can play around with. The last thing, you can see that the circle is not 100% aligned with the text. And for this, I think the best method is just to use a transform here. With a translate on the y-axis and something like 5%. And if I save it now, you will see that it will move down a little bit and it will be centered with the first line of text. So I hope this video helped you. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.